You see a being on there.
That's crazy.
Hey, y'all watch the donkey.
Get on. You get on.
Actually, Justin ought to be riding.
The donkey?
I'm gonna attempt this.
He's gonna have a heart attack.
I know.
Oh.
Go, get on, get on!
I told you it ain't gonna work.
Whoa.
Go, Spuds, go.
Run and jump him from behind.
Go, go, go. Do it, do it. You'll get kicked in the balls.
Do a movie jump.
Did you see that? Are you laughing at me? Because I said that? They don't care.
I thought he tore his britches.
Where's Andy?
I he went off that way somewhere.
Oh! Good job! Almost! I bet that hurt somewhere that he didn't